Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Plot.
What does the dictionary say?
To be marked or located by means of measurements or coordinates, as on plotting paper.
Math rap.
I'm not talking about a plot found in a story. These math raps are just about math. Sorry, you draw on a graph or math with points to plot specific places that you can read and point.
Math rap.
The thief plotted to steal the writer's plot, but the mathematician plotted out several escape passages for the writer. The plot was saved by the plot. The mathematician's name? Harry Plotter. Explain plots in your own words. When you walk in the snow, you're plotting your way from one place to another. What could prevent you from using those snow prints to follow your way back? Draw a map of your area. Plot out 5 of your fave stores to visit. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!